Hey guys, it's Justin with Summit Racing, and do we have a special adventure for you guys today? We have our brand new Jeep project, and we're up at the Eaton Proving Grounds in Marshall, Michigan, testing what it can do and checking out the Eaton Proving Grounds facility. There's so much to do here, it's crazy. They have V-ditches and incline ramps, rock courses, and so much more. So we're gonna test that stuff out, see what our Jeep can do, and then we're gonna take you guys to the testing labs to see what Eaton does to develop their products for the automotive industry. We can't wait to take you guys along and show you all the action, so let's get to it. So as you guys know, we're here today at the Eaton Proving Grounds testing out our Jeep, but it's just so much more than that. We had the opportunity to take a tour of the Eaton facility and see what really goes on here. So I'm here with Scott, who does a lot here at Eaton, and can you give us kind of a rundown of, the test track and then what you guys do here at the Proving Grounds? Besides, there's so much more to this whole process that the Eaton Corporation does.
Sure, yeah. No, thanks, Justin. So here at the Eaton Proving Grounds here in Marshall, Michigan, we sit on about 636 acres of land in total. Eaton has owned this property for well over 50 years now. It's gone through a couple different evolutions from hydraulic fluid power to what it is now here today at the vehicle group. So here on site, not only are we able to take designs from concept to reality. We'll start on a computer screen, put them into prototype testing cells, put them into our dyno cells, but we also can go vehicle side as well. So we house all of that capability internally here on the site to really make sure that we can take something from cradle to grave and into production at the site.
Tell us a little bit about the testing lab and some of the machines you guys have and what goes on.
Yeah, so we have like you said, we have a fully capable model shop, equipped with all sorts of CNC equipment, lathes, mills, all that kind of fun stuff. Full-scale heat treat services here on site. So again, that one-off prototype technology, we're able to really manufacture that here, and put it into our dyno cells. So everything from torque controls, which we've seen a lot of today. Engineer management, valve train, e-mobility is a new business here on site. Here on site, we actually test and validate commercial vehicles, everything up to Class 8 commercial vehicles. We do Jeeps and Mustangs like the one behind me here on site, but we also test full-scale commercial vehicles, semi-trailers, and trucks that you see running on the road every day.
That is super awesome. So let's talk about a little bit of what we did with our Jeep today and some of the obstacles we hit. There was so much cool stuff that we were able to do, and you guys really have an extravagant off-road testing facility. So let's talk a little bit about that between the V-ditch and the inclines and that kind of deal.
Yeah, sure. So as far as the traction modifying systems that we tested today, right, you really need a pretty expansive offerings of obstacles to really put those things to the test. The V-ditch that does a great job of showing the articulation of the vehicles and why a locking differential is really needed in those areas. Staying with the split mu work that we did on the 20% grade today, that really kind of showcases why the stereotypical four-wheel drive really isn't all that you need. Even a four-wheel drive vehicle will struggle to get up one of those grades without an actual locking differential.
Yeah, we wouldn't have made it nearly as far as we did today without the e-lockers in the Jeep. If we would have been stuck with just open differentials, we wouldn't have made it very far at all. So it's really cool how this facility allows you to test from mild to wild.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it. We can go everything just from mileage accumulation on pavement to 60% gravel grades and 3-foot mud crossings like you guys did today. So yeah, it's a pretty good way of putting it mild to wild.
I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us, Scott. And like I said, this has been just a fantastic opportunity for us.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity to have you guys today. I had a lot of fun.